Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming part of our family. If you're a returning subscriber, you are already family, and I thank you so much for being here on my journey. Today we're going to be doing my cash envelopes and sinking funds, but before we get started, I want to empty out what's remaining in my cash envelopes for the week. So we're going to start off with gas. I did have to put in a little bit more money than I have in the last couple weeks. So we have 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39 left over in gas. I'm just going to put that up there for now. Next is food. I did go to a senior night for one of my cousins. She is on the varsity wrestling team, and so when I was there, I was starving, and so they were selling pizza, so I did use $5 to get a slice of pizza. So we have $20 left over in food. Beauty always rolls over. I did go and pick up some items at the store and already took the money out of here. Spending, we have 15, so I did not use any of this. I had to pay to get into because it was a dual, and so it was $5, but I took that out of my family and fun envelope. So in all, let's see what we have going towards savings challenges this week. Let me see. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 50, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, and 74. So $74 will go towards my savings challenges on Sunday, and that will be divided up between certain ones over there. So I'm just going to put this to the side, and let me get the money situated. I hope everybody's having an amazing week. We are going into Wednesday, I believe, so hopefully everybody's, safe and healthy and work is treating you good. So today we're going to be stuffing 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 25, 31. So $231 is what we'll be stuffing today into the envelopes. Let's get this situated, and I do have $48 right here, and this is what I put aside for my nieces and nephews that I will be stuffing as well. And the way I come up with this amount here is on my savings challenges. I do one for them specifically. There are 8 of them that I save for, and so that's what you will find here. And this is prop money because I put their money directly into my Ally account. So all right, so into our cash envelopes. So gas always gets $100, so 100 in gas. If this is your first time here or you're just new to my channel, I am a hospice nurse, so I do drive around a lot. I do visits as well as admissions, so my miles that I put on my car and how much gas I go through kind of varies week by week. So I was going over what I was giving myself before, so I give myself $100 now just in case I'm doing more traveling because my territory is pretty much all over. And so I would rather have more than enough than not enough. So that's why I give myself 100. I'm okay if I don't spend it all because, as you see, I'm just going to roll it over to savings challenges, which then go into things that I'm either paying off or saving for and stuff like that. So food will get 25. I am on a low spend year, and so I try not to spend this, but because I'm driving around, I do try to give myself and take snacks and sandwiches and drinks and stuff like that so I'm not hungry, but just in case I want to stop and grab something to eat or meet up with a friend for lunch or something like that, I always want to have cash with me so I'm not swiping my credit card unnecessarily. Beauty will always roll over, and it gets 25 as well. But beauty I use for my hair when I do decide to get my nails done, pedicures, and any products that I need from the store like mascara, bath products, things like that. So beauty has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 45, 55, 65, 75, 80. So 280 in beauty. And then spending, I give myself $15 a week, but kind of like food, I try not to spend it if I don't need to. But I want to have it just in case I stop by a store and I see something that I want to get. Then I have cash to be able to purchase it with. Again, my goal is to not swipe my credit card unnecessarily. So I don't want to take away from myself if I do want something. But I don't want to just have to pull money from anywhere. So I give myself this. But again, I try not to spend it. This is money that's going back to the bank. I've pulled money from my beauty envelope, my birthday envelopes, things like that. So I just need to send this back to the bank to cover the purchases that I have made. So that is that for my cash envelopes. Next, we're going to move into my dated funds. These are items that I save for throughout the year. They come up once a year or, every other year. So I know how much I will be paying into them. And so I divide that by how many months I have, and that's how much I put in monthly. So for instance, car registration, we pay yearly here in California for our car registration. And so I just divide that by 12 months and then by my paychecks, and that's how much I put in here. So car registration is getting $10, and I don't think I filled it out. But if not, I will fill it out off camera. So we have 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So $170, and I need to get 250 by the time it's due. Which I believe it's due in September, so we should be able to get there, no problem. Next is my nursing renewal. Like I said, I am a nurse, and so every 2 years we have to renew our license. And so this year is actually due for me. So I'm just saving up for that. So we have 100, 150, 170, 180, 185, 190, and 195. It does cost $255 to renew every 2 years. So that's that. Next is moving. I will start putting money in this probably sometime this month. I do anticipate moving this summer. So I want to start saving up for those charges that it's going to accrue early. So, but I'm not going to put anything in there today. P.O. box is going to get $6. So if you're interested in sending Happy Mail and receiving Happy Mail or exchanging, cards and things like that, I do put my P.O. box down in my description. So definitely check it out. But we have 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So 28 P.O. box. I just paid this, so now we're just saving up again for it. Amazon Prime is not getting anything. I just paid this the beginning of January, so now we're just saving up for it again. So that is it for this binder. These folders or envelopes that I go into on a more regularly. So the first one is family fun. This is for anything that has to do with my family, like barbecues, day trips, anything, like the senior night, stuff like that comes out of here. And so we will be giving $10 today. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, $110. So there's that. Next is birthdays. So birthdays will be getting $10. I do save for everybody's birthday comes out of here. I do have quite a handful that are coming out right now. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85. So 85 for birthdays. Annalisa's birthday is coming up. And so she wanted a monster truck. So I already took her money. I let her pick it out. And so I already took her birthday gift out. I do have to purchase a gift for Leia and Alexander. I just haven't figured out what I want to get them yet. Next is medical. It's fully funded at $500, so we will not be adding anything there. Clothes will be getting $10. So clothes now has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, and 100. I am thinking about getting some more scrubs. I was saving up, but for Christmas I did get a couple pairs, but I would like to get some more, and then possibly some more shoes to go with the scrubs that I just got for Christmas. So car maintenance is not getting anything. I do need to start throwing extra money here because I know I'm going to be hit with tires, brakes, oil changes, things like that. Support small is going to be getting $5. So support small now has 10, 25, 35, 45. So $45. I do have my eye on a couple things, but I just haven't decided quite yet which one I want to get. And actually, I am going to come back because, let's see, car maintenance is going to get $5 actually. So we'll put $5 into car maintenance. So we have 20, 40, 65. So $65 into car maintenance. All right. Then we're going to move into my nieces and nephews envelopes. So again, I am saving for 8 of them. 7 of the younger ones have the same amount, so I will count the first one, and then my oldest nephew has $5 more, so I'll count his, but the other 7 have the same, so that's why I'm only going to count the first one. So Alexander will get $6. So 7 of them have 100, 200, 20, 40, 5, 50, 152, 53, and 54. So $254. I haven't decided when I'm going to give it to them. I'm just going to continue to save. They're all pretty young except Jeremy, who is 13, going on 14, but the rest are pretty young. Half of them are under 5. Let's see, Narai. And I see so many other people are starting to save for their nieces and nephews. I just think it's such an amazing thing when you get to the point where you can, you know, just put a little bit aside for, you know, anybody actually, you know, kids, nieces and nephews, things like that. It's just nice to be at a position where I can put money aside for them. I wish I was, you know, more financial aware when I was younger and my older nieces and nephews were younger. But, you know, you live and learn, and we do with what we can when we can. So, and then Alana. And I have mentioned before that I do have 2 more nieces and nephews coming. Well, they're both going to be girls, actually. So 2 nieces coming. So that's exciting. So once they come, or once we get names figured out, then I will order 2 more envelopes for them. So Jeremy has 100, 200, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. So 259 for Jeremy. And again, all of their money is in my Ally account, which is a high yield savings account. And so I rather it sit there so that I can earn money while it sits there, and I plan on dividing the money up between them as the interest is paid out. I believe it has $18 in there right now, and so I'm just waiting for it to get up to, you know, a number where I can divide it between them evenly. But that is my cash stuffing for the first week of February. I thank you so much for being here. I will be back to do my Debt Friday update, or Debt-Free Friday update, to let you know where I'm at with paying off my loan and what I've saved for my 3 to 6 month and my emergency fund. So again, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you guys. I love you so much, and I will see you next video. Bye.